The question is integrate the given function. So integration of x sine 3x dx. Here two functions are given, that is x and sine 3x respectively. So we have to integrate these functions by parts, that is integration of f of x g of x dx equal to first function into integration of second function dx minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx. So I is equal to x integration of sine 3x dx minus integration of derivative of x is 1 and integration of sine 3x dx into dx. Integration of sine 3x dx values minus cos 3x by 3 minus integration of minus cos 3x by 3 into dx. So minus x cos 3x by 3 minus into minus plus integration of cos x dx is sin x. So here we get sin 3x. Already we have 1 by 3. For 3x it is 1 by 3 plus constant. So minus x cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x by 9 plus constant. This is the answer.